swinging group like Bright Young America is introduced to Ford's new 1969 Torino. Sometimes you have to listen twice.
Hey, the Torino has a new 428 mil.
I hear the power anchors are caliper discs.
They're saying Torino 69 has a new 428 cubic inch engine and that you can get power front wheel disc brakes.
Looks like a groovy California rake job.
Wiped out the back at Riverside last year.
They're saying the profile is lean, eager looking, and that specially modified Torinos won the first 5 spots in one of last year's big races.
Adjustable shocks.
And wide ovals.
You don't have to know all the words when Torino provides the music. Torino 69 in the Performance Corner at your Ford dealers.
Ford gives you power.